You want to build an online presence for yourself or your organization. Where do you start? While a domain name is important, the critical component you need to think about is web hosting. Web Hosting 101. Web hosting services are a type of internet service which enables people and organizations to render their websites available via the World Wide Web. The extent to which web hosting services is achieved is very diverse, the most common being the web page and small-scale file hosting, where files can be uploaded through a web interface. Delivery of these files to the web is usually through minimum processing. This is often availed to subscribers free by many internet service providers. However, persons and organizations have the choice of obtaining web page hosting from other available substitute providers. Web hosting options. When it comes to web hosting, you've got options. Single page hosting is convenient for personal web pages, but a more sophisticated site will require a more elaborate package that avails database support and application improvement platforms such as Java and PHP. These will be required by customers when they want to write or install scripts for applications like forums and content management. A control panel for managing the web server and installing scripts may also be provided by the host together with other modules and service applications like email. Other hosts only specialize in certain software or service, for example, e-commerce, which are mostly used by those companies that subcontract network infrastructure. Hosting Uptime and Solutions. Some of the main components to consider when looking into web hosting services are uptime and availability. To know how much the website is available, a percentage of a year in which it's publicly available and accessible on the internet is calculated. This, however, should not be confused with the time that the system itself has been online. Being able to reach it, as in the event of a network outage, is not taken into consideration. This is reached by multiplying the uptime guarantee by the total time available in a year. Many large organizations that are not internet service providers are required to be permanently connected to the internet in order to send emails to other sites. Web server architectures. Organizations have the option of using the computer as a website host in order to avail of particulars of their goods and services for online orders. This is achieved through free web hosting service availed by different companies, but always limited compared to paid web hosting services. With shared web hosting services, an individual's website is put on the same server with other sites. This makes it possible to share a common pool of server resources, for instance RAM and CPU. Reseller web hosting enables clients to become web hosts themselves. Most of them will provide a nearly identical service to that of their provider's shared hosting plan, but provide the mechanical support themselves. Home server achieved when a solitary machine placed in a private residence can be used to host one or more websites from a generally consumer-grade broadband connection. So there you have it, a quick look at web hosting, why it matters, and its many applications. If you're hunting for quality web hosting services in the US, UK, or Australia, then look no further than Pacework Technologies. We offer affordable hosting packages, domain name options, web content options, marketing, and so much more, to help you achieve success with building an online presence. Interested? Let's talk. Get in touch with our amazing team, or check out our site and explore our hosting packages. We hope to serve you soon. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a like, drop us a comment, and consider subscribing for more web insights and more.